Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Lotus Foods. This is their rice ramen noodle soup. It's a Tom Yum variety. Ready or not, here we yum. Very cute. And it says what? Now with more yum. I sincerely hope so. The last time I had one of this variety, the broth just didn't. It was on the right track. It was like it really wanted to go. Here's the noodle block. Definitely interesting. I want these to be super good. Tom Yum is one of my favorite flavors, and I've had so many Tom Yum varieties. Instant, restaurant, restaurant in Thailand. Oh God, it's such a light powder. I just inhaled it up my nose. I just snorted Tom Yum soup seasoning. Wow, that was horrible. Make it a little chunkier, please. Wow, oh my God, freaking, wow, I can't see. Okay. Room temperature. About right. Feels like a room. Okay, so we're gonna put that in the old wave. Three. And power level E. Alright. So we'll see. So yeah. I'm low on supplies, man. I need more supplies, which I will have to procure. I don't know if I'm doing reviewing tomorrow. We got in-laws in town. I should be. I mean, I can get stuff ready. We're probably not going to see them that early. I don't know. We will see. I'll get reviews ready to go. I'm really crossing my fingers for this one. When I steeped it, it just didn't. I don't know. I'm just hoping it tastes good. I'm looking for a strong, spicy lemongrass taste. The nice flavor with flavor. Yeah, there have been varieties lately that I've been trying out, and they've been getting zeros, and I gotta say, I usually don't get a 0-star. Maybe I get 2, 3 a year. In the last 2 weeks, I've had 4 of them. There's kind of a reason for that, because I'm running out of noodles, and I'm going and getting stuff locally in like domestic, like regular grocery stores, as some people might call them. I prefer to frequent Asian groceries. I went on a big tear of doing reviews and got way ahead, because I had 2 Zen Pop boxes and 2 Umai crates that showed up. and I needed to like do all the reviews, and that was like 20 reviews, and then I just like flew through almost all the noodles I had, so had to re-up. So I got hit up by the Rockstar people. I don't know why. They wanted me to do a thing for a product they came out with, and I said, okay, they'll give me $50. That's cool. But it's like, and they'll give me the free product. And so that's going to show up today. And I'm going to do like kind of a quick and dirty episode of the Ramen Raider diet, because it's been quite a while. And stir, and 30 seconds more. I'm on it. And it's blown over. Wow. Yep, even at 70%, which is below 1,000 watts, the noodles, thank God for the plate. Thank God for the paper plate. Wow, that's insanity. That shouldn't be happening. %60 for the last 30 seconds. That's crazy. I've never had that happen. Never. That was room temperature water bordering on cold, and it exploded. We'll see. There's this little fancy clay pot. Oh, this is such a pain in the ass to take photos of. I don't care. I'll do it anyways. I'll do it for you, internet peoples. Okay. Wow. So here's what we ended up with. By the way, let me tell you, I am very, I know how to use a microwave. Especially this one. Yeah, as you can see, it definitely went a little haywire in there. I guess I need my fork. Where is my fork? Oh. There it is. I think the noodle worked out better in this one. It's just the broth didn't. Try to get some of this seasoning back there. Some would say, oh, you're going to have to go back to the store and get it again. It's like, nope, not going to do it. That's the problem. What needs to happen is they need to have like more of a standardized, this button means 1,000 watts. This button means 500 watts. You know what I mean? Here we go. Noodles are gummy and underdone. There's our broth. Oh. Wow. Well, I hate to lead you astray, but not exceedingly flavorific in this reviewer's opinion. Wow. But if you're looking for hot, this is very hot. Okay. Yeah. it might have had a little slightly stronger flavor if all of that seasoning hadn't exploded out of it, which is just like, there's no reason for that. But honestly, it's more of the same, and the same just wasn't all that wondrous. But I got some bean sprouts, and I got some pepper. Where is my... Whoa, 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 whoa. Here's Mr. Friend. Hello, Mr. Friend. And some spring onion. Make it look the part. A little bit of Fresno pepper. Sesame seed. Sure. Whatever. May I help you?
Yes.
What are you doing? Ah, you're getting your Spider-Man hat, Spider-Miles. All right. Well, I hate to say it, but this wasn't, no. Well, can't say that I'd recommend that one. Not for me. But this one might be better. This is from Sempio of South Korea, and this is a South Korean spicy variety. We'll check that out tomorrow. Interesting looking product. Well, yeah, we'll see. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you what to do with wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.